Why buy a 202 mile per hour LSA? Hi, I'm Lou Mancuso, the landing doctor. If you want a fast LSA aircraft, you may want the 202 mile per hour Bristell 916 RG. Here are some reasons you should consider the 916 RG powered by the Rotax 916 160 horsepower engine, which is turbocharged and has a 2,000-hour TBO. Comfort. The 51-inch wide cockpit is wider than a Cirrus. The seats are very comfortable and a 6-foot 10-inch pilot fits. Betty, my girlfriend, and I just flew our 915 turbo with a fixed gear and 140 horsepower engine 5.5 hours nonstop, 865 miles, and felt great when we got out of the plane. Very comfortable. Delivery time. No need to wait over a year. We have 916 RG aircraft in stock and more on order. Support. We have three wizard mechanics, Justin Smith, Shane Morris, and Rich Masano. Parts. We have over $200,000 of Bristell and Rotax parts in the United States. We can support our customers. More reasons to choose the Bristell 916 RG Turbo. Training. You will receive superior crosswind landing doctor training at our Sebring Flight Academy in sunny South Florida. Insurance. Your first year's insurance premium will be only $5,000 when you complete the landing doctor training. If you would like to see our inventory, go to sportflyingusa.com and select the tab Inventory. If you would like to place an order, contact me, Lou Mancuso, the landing doctor. My email is loumancuso@AOL, or call me 516-658-1847. So that's Lou Mancuso, the landing doctor. Fly with limitations and stay safe.